hey, if you've purchased one of ProjectionHub's financial projection templates, or you're considering purchasing one of our templates, but you're concerned because you have a lot of salaried positions in your company, or you're planning to have lots of salaried positions in your company and more positions, and we have slots available in our salaries input table. I'm going to show you how you can easily add additional salaried positions to that table. And this way, this will help you avoid needing to reach out to us for a custom financial modeling project. You'll hopefully be able to do this yourself and save some time and money. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and jump into how to make these changes. All right, so in this example, I am on the Input, Salaries, and Owner Draw tab. Most of all of our templates will have a similar tab, a Salaries tab. And so it will have some number of salaried positions, and the different templates have different numbers here. But what you'll be able to do is if you come down here, what you'll notice is that there's going to be some hidden rows. So we jump from row 41 to row 69. So there are some hidden rows. So what you want to do is highlight those rows, right click, and then click unhide. And now you'll see all of those hidden rows. And what's in these hidden rows is the calculation of how much salary expense should be for each salary position based on what you've put in up here. So for example, let's just let's copy this. Let's say we're going to have 3 of these, and now what we'll see is that we have 3 of those rows are populated. Now let's say we need to add another 10 positions. So what I'm going to recommend is that what we do is we add 10 rows. I think we're going to go ahead and start at the top. So right below row 1, let's do that. Let's highlight 10 rows, and then right click and click insert. And that's going to create a bunch of new rows. Now, the next thing we're going to need to do is come down here, and in the same spot, so right below row 1, we're going to insert 10 rows. Okay, you got to have the calculations as well. And so then the next thing I want to do over here is a count. If you have that, you're going to want to renumber these so that we have the proper numbers over here, the employee count. All right. And now just if we look down here, what we see is, okay, we've got the expenses here for the first employee, and then we've got the next 2, but there's this blank space. And if we were to, right now, just copy this row again into the new second row, we'll notice that when we come down here, row 2 in the calculation section is not populating. All right. So what we're going to need to do is drag the equations down. So the first thing I would do is I'd come over here all the way to the end of the 60 months, highlight this, and then I'm going to take that corner of that box and drag all the way down to the bottom of the table right here. Now if we scroll back, what we'll see now is that row 2 and all these subsequent rows are being populated. We'll also just want to double check. If you double click on this, what it will do is it'll show you the sum of all the expenses that it's adding together. So you'll want to make sure that it's highlighting all of the expenses that you've added. If not, then again, you can just do equals sum and grab all of these expenses up to the top here. Okay. And then you can drag that across just to make sure that that is working all the way across the board. And that should be all you need to do. You can then re-hide this calculation section down here if you'd like. You can just simply highlight that whole section, and then to hide it, you just right click and hide. Now we're kind of back to where we were. So hopefully that's helpful. If you want some help doing this, if you say, I don't want to mess around with Excel and I'd just like someone to do this for us, we do provide custom financial modeling services. And so you can reach out to us to help you make these changes for your specific needs. So with that, feel free to reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com, and then we'll try to help you as best we can. Thanks.